tornado currently in Sewell, New Jersey. Big dark one. First time I've ever seen one in person. This is pretty cool. It's raining right now. This is all the aftermath of basically the hurricane that got down south. Look, it's huge. See it? Oh my god. It's, wow. Yeah. Right near Rowan right now. It's not too big. It's just a small one, it seems like.
Look.
Doesn't seem like it's really doing much damage. I don't see nothing. I see a little bit of debris.
Look,
actually.
right there, Tommy.
Yeah, right there.
That's the center of it, look.
Yeah.
Here.
There it is. There's the center of it. It's awesome. Everything's all quiet around here. Everyone's shelter, I guess. That's awesome. Oh, here goes thundering.
Look. Cycloning a little.
Cycloning.